Hello. This video, first my name is Kaisa Conkrite, and this video is about using origami to make a robin from the book The Secret Garden, and it's appropriate for ages 10 through 11, like around the 5th grade, that age. So class, we have been reading The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett. And in this book, there is the character of Mary and the robin. And if you remember, the robin helps her to find, do you remember? The key that opens the secret garden. The robin leads her to it. So today we are going to use origami and to make a paper robin. So origami is a Japanese word that means paper folding. So we are going to use origami, and also origami, another definition is that it is an art, and it's the art of folding paper into decorative shapes like the robin or figures. So we're going to use origami to make a paper robin. So what are we going to do? We're going to use origami to make a paper robin. Okay, I'm going to be using two different hats today. I mentioned the word shapes, paper folding shapes, and we are studying geometry, and in geometry we are studying about shapes. So I'm going to wear two different hats today. My artist hat, when we do the paper, the art, and then when we start to talk about math, I will wear my mathematician hat. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my mathematician hat. And this is a piece of origami folding paper, and if you look at it, it's a particular shape. Do you know what the shape is? It's a square. How do we know it's a square? Well, it has four equal sides, and it has 4 angles. This square has 4 right angles. Each angle, there's 1, is alike. 2, 3, 4. And the right angle equals 90 degrees. We also know that a square is called a quadrilateral. Quad is 4. Quadrilateral is 4 sides, and this is a 4-sided figure. Okay, so a square. Now we're going to start folding. There are 2 different types of fold. There's the valley fold. The valley fold is when the crease goes away from you and it makes sort of a valley. We're going to fold it this way. The other one is called the mountain fold, and that's when the crease is going to go towards us. We fold this way, and it kind of makes like a mountain peak. So what types of folds do we have? We have the valley fold, and we have the mountain fold. Okay, when we fold, we want to try to be as precise as possible. We want the edges to meet up as exactly together as we can, and we want to smooth out our folds nicely. So let's start by folding diagonally in half. Trying to make my sides, my edges meet up. I'm going to smooth it down, and I can use my finger to kind of smooth this down like this. Okay? So now I have a different figure. So let's talk about this figure. Let's talk about a little bit about math, geometry. This is a triangle. How do we know it's a triangle? Well, it has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and it has 1, 2, 3 angles. This particular triangle is called an isosceles triangle. It has 2 sides that are the same and 2 angles that are the same. That's why it's called isosceles. We can also call it a right triangle because, hold on a minute. Yes, here we go. Took me a minute. And here's our right angle here, our 90-degree angle. All right. I think if there's anything else I wanted to tell you about this. I think that's it. Oh yes, let's name the different parts of the triangle. Okay. This down here is called the base. These are the three sides. We talked about the three angles. Where the ends meet together is called the vertex. So we have where two sides meet together. 1, 2 sides meet together here. 2 and 3. So we call these, the plural is vertices. These are the vertices. All right. These angles, we said this was a 90-degree angle. These angles are less than 90 degrees, as you can see. They're less. And we call these acute angles. All right. Let's go on to folding. So now we have our triangle, and we're going to open it up. And we are going to fold the left diagonally till it meets the middle. We're going to fold the right side the same way, diagonally till it meets the middle, trying to be precise and smoothing it out the best we can. Now our figure looks like a kite, and it is called a kite. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what the kite is. Mathematicians, what do we know about this figure? We know that it's a quadrilateral. It has 1, 2, 3 sides, quad meaning 4. It's a 4-sided figure. It also has these 2 pairs of adjacent sides, which means adjacent means next to each other, are equal to each other, and these 2 sides are equal to each other. So this figure is symmetrical, which means that a line can be drawn that splits the shape into an exact mirror of each other. Okay, so we're going to go on with our paper folding. All right. We're going to do a mountain fold. Remember, a mountain fold is when the crease goes away from us. Goes away, like a fold. All right. Just like this. Now our figure looks like this. Okay, this next part is a little complicated. Oh wait, no, we're not there yet. Okay, now we're going to fold down again. Fold down left diagonally till it meets the middle. Fold down the right side diagonally till it meets the middle. And our shape looks like this. Still a kite shape. Now the next part is a little tricky. So it might take a minute. It's kind of hard to show, but it goes down like this. Like that. Okay. This is a wing. I need to smooth this out a little better. Okay, and then the other side, go down like this. Like this. These are our wings. Okay, I'm going to need to smooth this down. Look at all those triangles. Lots of them. Okay. My figure is not perfect. Okay, but that's okay. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to fold these up. These are going to be our feet. Okay, fold them kind of on the diagonal. All right, it's good to have a very solid surface to be able to smooth it down. Now it's like this. Okay, now we're going to fold the whole figure in half doing the valley fold. So now we look like this. Look, our bird is beginning to take form. We have a tail and feet. This is going to be our head up here. Okay. Now I'm going to fold the head, twist it down like that. Okay, this is called the reverse fold. This is takes a little bit of practice, but you go back up like this, and then we open up the mouth. We fold this part down like this, and we have head, the bird. My beak is a little small, but it works. And if we want to draw an eye, you can draw a little eye on it like this. This is our bird, and sometimes I can get it to stand up. Thank you. Good job, class.